talked about this dream for years. Back home in Wisconsin, winters were long, winds were harsh, and the beach, it was always just a vacation, never a way of life. But then there were the worries, hurricanes, insurance, should they live by the water or maybe further inland? They did what most people do. They watched, they waited, they wondered, until one night, the kids tucked in bed, laptops open, they found us, and they found Windward. They loved that Windward was exactly what they needed. It was the best of both worlds. It was just close enough to the beaches that they'd always loved. It was about 30 minutes to Siesta Key or to Lido Beach, and far enough inland to sleep better during storm season. It was safe, it was beautiful, it was community focused. And then came the house. They saw the Savannah 2 model home. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, space for everyone, and then some. The home office was going to be perfect for those evening Zoom meetings, and that bar area was going to be the gathering place when the neighbors came over for happy hour. And that gorgeous kitchen, open, bright, ready for holiday dinners and pancake Saturdays. Kids, ages 8 and 11, their own bedrooms, plenty of space to spread out, and best of all, there was a game room right at the amenity center, just a short bike ride away. Hours of fun, new friends, and freedom to be kids. That second living area that sealed the deal. It was a separate space for the kids and their friends, well, to be kids. And for mom and dad, a master suite that feels like a vacation inside the vacation. 2 walk-in closets, no more sharing, a soaking tub, and a large walk-in shower for those I need a moment days. And yes, finally, a double vanity and plenty of room to spread out. While there isn't a big backyardamo, what they have instead is even better. A screened-in pool and lanai that feels like a private resort. Imagine this: a sunny Saturday, the kids splashing in the pool, the grill going, the neighbors stopping by for a drink, a hot tub to unwind when the sun sets and the sky turns that perfect Florida pink. Those water features just made them feel like they were truly home in Florida. But it was the outdoor kitchen that made them both smile. Grilling and chilling, dinner outdoors, sunset views from the backyard. It just felt like home. And when they wanted to change the pace, Waterside Place is just minutes away. Ranch night Wednesdays, farmers markets on Sundays, music, movies in the park, great food, cornhole by the lake. It was everything that they imagined Florida life would be. It's the kind of life they pictured when they said, "What if we just stayed?" It all came together when he received the offer, a new role in downtown Sarasota. The commute? About 30 minutes door to desk. Certainly better than the Green Bay traffic he had been used to. Now, it's not a vacation anymore. It's home. And every sunset reminds them this was worth it. I'm Adam Miller with the 941 Lifestyle Group, and here, it's more than just the four walls and the roof. It's about finding where you and your family truly belong, where your lifestyle and your dreams finally match. Are you ready to find yours? Reach out today. And welcome home, welcome to Windward.